Alright, this will be the elevator at the Southernmost Beach Resort in Key West, Florida. Dover Impulse. Possibly an older one. Does the lantern work? Nope. Let's get a cab view. Pretty basic elevator. Yep, this is a pretty early Impulse. I can tell by the open and close brailles where the words are located on them. Up to 3. The buttons are replaced with the newer Impulse buttons, though. Anyways, here we go up. Here we are on 3. This is in the tower building. There's your interlock. Let's ring the bell. Doesn't light up. 1. ThyssenKrupp help link. View the cab. It's a basic elevator, but it's pretty neat though. One more right up. Alright, here we go. Floor indicator's totally burned out. And the bumper's been replaced with a door sensor. Let's go to 2 so I can show an intermediate landing. Two. Well, looks like he's gonna go down, so I'll wait for him. But here's a look out. It's a pretty nice looking property. Oh, and there it's gone. Yeah, all these buttons are replaced. I'm guessing the cover for the lantern's probably replaced too. I mean, they're pretty far apart, but like it doesn't have, but like they're all in one piece though. But it probably wasn't always like that. Oh, I think I just heard it. Yep. On. It's resetting itself because I also pushed it to go up too. We'll just watch one go out. Here we are on 1. Alright, we'll get off here. There it goes. That'll be it.